What is the Voting Rights Act, and why has it been so important for equality and political participation in this country?
The Voting Rights Act, in many ways, is not just a law, but by many descriptions, a super law. It is a significant, extraordinary law that's meant to answer a real problem that we had in this country for a long period of time during the 20th century, that states wouldn't follow the edicts of the 14th and 15th Amendment to make sure that people who are entitled to the right to vote got an ability to cast the vote and have the vote counted regardless of race or color. In the South in particular, that was an especially pronounced problem through 1965, when, after a series of tries by Congress, they finally responded to a very graphic display of state power. Might sound familiar, going to stop nonviolent protesters marching to ask for voting rights. And once Congress saw that everybody recognized that this couldn't stand, they decided to adopt the Voting Rights Act. And it forbids states and other jurisdictions from adopting legislation or practices in law that essentially would deny or abridge the right to vote with respect to race. There's a particular part of the law, Section 2, that's at issue here, where Congress especially said, look, we're not going to just take those cases where the local jurisdiction or the state says, we intend to keep you out because of your race. We're going to take the more, I think, muscular approach to say we're going to undo structures that are the result of all these years of denial by saying if the effect of a proposal or a rule denies the ability of groups to have an equal opportunity to cast a ballot, this is where federal law comes into. And it has been really effective throughout the South, but really throughout the country. People at every jurisdiction level in government have been able to get more opportunities to cast ballots, to participate in elections, and actually get elected candidates that more connect to their interests. As one piece of the civil rights puzzle, it really stands as really the crown jewel